Chase, come. Crazy. Yeah. God dang. Guess I just winged that one. Got all his feathers here. Hadn't seen squat for tracks. Wow. Guess I should have let the dogs grab that one. I managed to pull its tail feathers out like that. It's okay. We got him. Oh, swung all the way around. Tough shot. It's okay, we got him. Being that it's not freezing out here and a beautiful sunny day, I probably should take a second to a little explanation about my videos, or maybe a disclaimer. And if you've watched any of them, nothing fancy, pretty much just the hunt and the dogs. Basically the reason I put them on YouTube is for my brother and a couple hunting friends that live a ways away and don't get to hunt as much. They typically know the areas I'm hunting, and I don't explain a lot about that. I am in southwestern Minnesota. As you've seen on the videos, got Indy is the Springer, Chase is the French Brittany. I don't think either of them got this one up. I think I stepped on them. There's the no-tail feathers. Nice spurs on the bird though. Beautiful day. 9 degrees. Forgot my jacket at the house, so I just got a long sleeve shirt on. A little chilly, but not much wind. I'd say 0 to 5 miles an hour. Variable wind direction. So there's my explanation. As I said, nothing polished on the videos, just sending them so some co-hunters can, as my brother said, live vicariously through me, as I am blessed to live out in the hinterlands. So there's bird number one. Don't expect much today. I don't see much sign out here, but we'll finish walking these cattails and see. That one surprised us. So, okay, there's that. Dead bird. God, did not hit that one well. Alright. Hope it stays in the snow. Ah. Come on, guys. Find the bird. Indy, chase, come. Dead bird. Back. Boy, not hitting them good today. Thank you for the snow. I got him. Got him, boys. Tail sticking out of the snow. Got another long spurred one. Saw a bunch of tracks there. All two hens got up. Good dogs, good job. Let's go back there. Come on. Going into the sun. Just got a glimpse of his head. Oh. Wow. Yeah, Chase went on point. I don't know if you saw that. God, I just went through a bunch of water. Look at all that. Chase went on point. And a bunch of fresh tracks. We got a little of snow last night. We got a little bit of snow last night. Saw some fresh tracks definitely since then. And those two hens got up and Indy was going crazy. Oh, boy, it's cold. You heard me sloshing through the water. I wanted to keep my mark. Beautiful bird. Wow. Good boys, come. What a beautiful day. There he is. Yeah, spurs. Sorry, I'm not the greatest at getting him on camera here. Hope you can see him. God, beautiful. Kept the tail on this one. Saw where he landed in the snow. Come here, guys. Come. Chase. Indy, come. Saw where he landed in the snow. And they started getting birdie. And I saw his tail sticking out of the drift. This time I went for the center of the bird, not the tail. Gotta preserve the tail feathers, don't you? They taste so good. So there he is. Is he pointing one up there? Let's go. Let's get one in here. See tracks here. Let's get one in there. There's gotta be one. No snow down below, I can feel it. Busting out here. Is that the dog? Oh, I thought that was Pheasant Hunt. That's Indy. Let's go. Let's get over here. Where's Chubby? These look fresh. Come here, guys. Burn them up. Get him, Indy. Get him, Indy. Get him. Come on. Someone in there? This ought to be interesting. fresh tracks, Chase. What a point. God darn, what a dog. What a day. Gotta find this guy still. Landed in some thick stuff here. I got him marked. I think he's dead. I hit him pretty good. Let's go, guys. This is some deep snow here. Gotta find where he went in. Chase thinks his Chase smells him. Where'd he go in? Right here. In here? There he is. Thing's alive still. No, he's dead. Got him, bird. Got him, guys. Dead bird. Dead bird. There we go. Good job, guys. Chase, Indy, come. Unbelievable. Saw young of the year. Saw a fresh, fairly fresh set of tracks going in there. I don't know if you could see those. Cattails were thick. And I thought, no way there's one in there. Sure enough, come busting out of the snow. I hope the video's good on that one. I won't have any shot cam videos today, just too cold. Turn it on, it's blinking red right away. I think they say 20 degrees or better, and it's like 9 out when I left home. So